Can intuition help you repair your broken relationship? My name is Coach Adrian, and welcome to Love Advice TV. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for your trust. Quite often, clients ask me in one-on-one coaching sessions if their intuition is correct. They have questions related to their ex. They want to put a certain plan of action in place, and they need reassurance. And so I wanted to do a video to be able to kind of talk about the role of intuition in the process of trying to repair a broken relationship. I believe that actually intuition is central, is key to this process of getting your ex back, because you need to be able to react and to trust yourself in real time throughout this process. Many times I have seen individuals who really are leveraging their intuition in order to be able to reconnect with their significant other. The challenge, the issue is that very often your intuition is clouded. Your capacity to tap into that intuitive fiber is clouded by fears, by insecurities, and you feel like the worst possible outcome is upon you, that your significant other is seeing someone else, that they have forgotten about you. When they post on social media, you start to overanalyze every single thing that they post, and you simply are thrown off also by the fact that you don't recognize the person that you used to love. And so although your power of intuition is a very powerful tool that you can leverage, you need to make sure that you're not being guided by your fears and insecurities and confusing intuition with actually emotions that are triggered by that fear of losing your significant other. That is also why we talk about self-awareness and why self-awareness is so critical in the process of getting back with your ex. It is absolutely essential for you to not just be a prisoner of the moment and to not just react out of fear, out of anger, or simply just to seek their immediate validation and reassurance. And your ability to have that sense of self-awareness will enable you to avoid many of the pitfalls that thousands of people around the world make. So for example, your intuition can lead you to know that your significant other is not ready to engage with you again, that the timing is not right, that they're not in the right disposition, or that you still need to work on certain elements of your process of personal transformation before trying to reconnect with them. Also, really focusing on that process of personal transformation, on becoming your true self, will greatly enable you to not let your emotions get the best of you, to actually take the right concrete actions that will enable you to maximize your chances of not making mistakes down the road. And as you are engaging in this process of personal transformation, more and more things will become clear to you. You will not be reacting, and you will be able to really joke around with your significant other, be more of yourself, and not constantly seek their validation through your actions and through your words. So you really want to seek to move away from these obsessive thoughts that actually are pushing you to make a mistake. So being your true self will enable you to channel that intuition. There's a direct connection between emotional intelligence and your intuitive power. And as you continue to walk away from the feelings of fears and anxiety in a systematic way, you're going to be able to read your significant other better, and you'll be able to adjust in real time and not be afraid of making a mistake. In essence, You need a certain clarity of mind to be able to leverage intuition the right way and to be able to know when to take steps forward and when to back away. What I'm asking you, in essence, is to be more detached, not be a prisoner of wanting to reconnect with your significant other at all costs. As you're able to do this, you will be able to feel when your significant other is receptive. And you won't feel like you're constantly pushing and pushing and pushing to convince someone that is not really trying to be convinced of anything. Ultimately, we're talking about a process that will enable you to trust yourself more, to trust your judgment more. And that is absolutely key in trying to reconnect a healthy relationship with this person that you love. So yes, intuition does play a huge role, and it's important for you to focus on what you can control in order to slowly but surely be able to read the signs. My name is Coach Adrian, and I thank you for watching this video. Thank you for listening to us on our podcast. Please subscribe, leave your comments, leave your thoughts. Let us know how we can continue to support you, and I look forward to creating more content for you. Take good care.